If you've been looking for an easy way to install Streamio on your Windows PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the complete process from start to finish, and it only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type Streamio and search for it. When the results appear, make sure you're visiting the official Streamio website before downloading anything. Downloading software from trusted sources is one of the best ways to keep your computer secure. Once you're on the website, locate the Windows download option and click it. After the installer finishes downloading, open the file to begin the installation. Click Next, review the installation options if needed, and continue until the setup is complete. When the installation finishes, click Finish to launch Streamio. If Windows displays a security prompt, read it carefully before continuing to make sure you're opening the correct installer. Now, sign into your existing account or create a new one if you're using Streamio for the first time. If the application doesn't open properly, restart your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version of Windows and check for any available updates. And one last tip, always keep your software updated by downloading new versions from the official website whenever they're available. That's all for this tutorial. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and software installation guides.